morning everyone. Today we are going to study about chapter number 13, our Earth's natural satellite. Now class, we all know that our natural satellite is Moon. Yes, Earth is having one natural satellite, that is Moon. Now what is a satellite? Satellite is any object that is revolving around a planet. That means the Moon is revolving around our Earth. Satellites can be natural as well as artificial, but in this chapter we will only study about our natural satellite, that is Moon. Now class, Moon, when does we see Moon? We often see the Moon at night, right? Now, does Moon have its own shine? We all see a shiny moon, shiny bright white color moon, but does it have its own light? No beta. Moon does not have any light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. We all see sunlight in the daytime. So what is happening? That the sun is also giving the same light to the moon. And moon is reflecting that light and we are able to see that light. Okay. Moon and sun. We see, when we see in the morning the sun and in the night we see the moon. So we see the similar size. But do you think that the sun and the moon are of same size? No. Sun and moon are not of the same size. Moon is much smaller than your sun, but sun is far away from us. That is why we see that sign. And if I talk about the moon, moon is very near to the earth. It is also one of the nearest neighbor of earth in the space. Okay. So moon is the nearest to the sun. Okay. Now if I talk about the size, see, size is different of the moon as well as of the sun, but they appear same to us because of their distance. Like moon is approximately 384 kilometers away from the earth. Okay. Now if I talk about the surface of the moon, see class, you might have seen on some news channels also the rough, uneven, whitish, greyish surface that is of your moon. Yes, moon is having some plain area also. It has some huge mountains also. But there are one thing which is very common to the whole surface of your moon are the craters. Now what are these craters? These craters are hollow structures. Hollow round structures on the surface of the moon. Hollow means the thing which is empty. Okay. Now there are round hollow structures on the moon surface. If you see now, it will feel like there is some holes on your moon. Okay. So those holes are called as your craters. Okay. Now how these craters are formed? Who has made those craters on the moon? Right, we humans have not made them. So what happens that there are some meteoroids which are around our space. So they might have, it has been said that they have stuck to the moon. They were coming at very fast speed and they just bumped on the surface of the moon. That is why those craters are formed. And there are some astronauts which have visited the moon, so they have got the rocks from there. So when we see the rocks which are from the moon, they are very grey, blackish, dust-like material. So we say that the moon must have the surface which is of grey, black, dust-like. Okay. Now, phases of the moon. Phases means the shape of the moon that appears to us. Like if I am living on the earth, what type of shape I am able to see of the moon. Like some days you might have noticed the moon is like a circle. That is clearly visible to us. That is whitish, greyish, that is visible to us. So we say that it is a full moon day. Because I am able to see the whole circle of the moon. Later it is then I'll say a little less part of the moon. Then I'll say only the half part of the moon. But half part of the moon is not semicircle. We call it as quarter. Though quarter means 1/4, but in case of moon phases, we call it as half of the moon. So, first quarter after the new moon, full moon, you will have the first quarter, and then there will be later the moon will become less visible to us, and then you will have a new moon. New moon means that you are not able to see the moon clearly. It will appear to you dark grey blackish. Okay, you are not able to see the moon. Okay, now then again the moon will start appearing, and then you will have half of the moon, that will be your third quarter, and then later again the full moon. This cycle continues. Okay, these are your phases of the moon. Now, the last thing in this video is there any life on the moon? Do you think there is any life on the moon? No, there is no life on the moon. Why? Because of the two major things. First, there is no air, okay, and there is no water. See, we all know that we are able to survive on the earth only because on earth there is atmosphere, there is air, there is water. Because we all know that if a human needs to live, he or she needs the air to breathe. First thing. Second thing, plants need the carbon dioxide as well as water to complete their photosynthesis process so that they can live and grow. Same way, we humans also need water and air, because air mein there is oxygen, then only we can live on the earth. But on moon there is no oxygen. If there is no oxygen, we will not able to breathe. So if we are not able to breathe, so we will not able to give carbon dioxide, so the plants can also not able to live. And there is no water. We all know that water is one of the most essential, needful thing that is required for the survival of any animal, any plant or any human being. Okay, so moon is a very sad, lonely planet where there is no animal, no plant, no human you can see there. But yes, many astronauts have gone to that place and they are searching and looking for the reasons why there is no water or why there is no air there, or like I have said, there is no atmosphere also. We all know that Earth is having a thick blanket of air and gases, that is our atmosphere. Okay, so if there is no atmosphere on the moon, the harmful sun rays which are coming from the sun are also not able to be protected. So if there is any human or an animal which is even starting to live the life, but there is no atmosphere. So if there is no atmosphere, the sun rays can be very harmful for the humans and animals, and they will not able to survive. Okay. Now if I talk about landing on the moon. See, the first spacecraft, which was American spacecraft Apollo 11, successfully landed on the moon surface on 21st July 1969. There were 3 astronauts on that spacecraft. The very first is your Neil Armstrong and Edward Aldrin. They both stepped out on the surface of the moon so that they can explore the moon. Whereas the third partner astronaut, that is Michael Collins, he remained on the spacecraft so that he can maintain the contact with the earth and it will take the rounds of the moon also. So with this topic we came to the end of the video. So today we have studied about our Earth's natural satellite, that is moon. In this we have studied about the basic introduction of the moon, then why your moon doesn't shine, and the surface of the moon, phases of the moon, why there is no life on the moon, as well as the landing on the moon. Thank you. Have a nice day.